Good morning, students. I am Aarti Prasad, Assistant Professor in EX Department, SIRT Bhopal. And the subject is Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the subject code is ES301. And the topic is Introduction of Noise Pollution. Today we discuss what is noise pollution and what is the sources of the noise pollution. Right. So we start. What is noise pollution? The word noise come from the Latin word that is noxia, meaning injury or hurt. It is also unwanted, unpleasant, and annoying sound caused by vibration of the matter. Right. So vibration impinge on the eardrum of a human or animals and step up as a nervous disturbance, which we call sound. When this effect of sound are undesirable, that it may be termed as noise, or you can say that no one can escape the unwanted sound, that it also called noise disturbance to our environment, escalating so rapidly that it become a response of the major threats to the quality of the humans. So in this slide, what is noise pollution, right? So noise, what is unwanted or a disturb what one's quality of life is called as noise. When there is lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. Or you can say it is undirected environmental problem because of the fact that we can't see, smell, or taste it. So WHO stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being, right? Or you can say noise exposure at work is added and during leisure activities. Slowly, independencies seems no except noise and the physical and the psychologically distortion. So what is the measurement of the noise? So a decibel is the standard of the measurement of noise, that is 20 dB is a whisper, 40 dB the noise in a quiet office, 60 dB is normal conversation, and the 80 dB is the level at which sound becomes physically painful. So these are the some measurement of the noise, right? What is the sources of noise pollution? That is very important for everyone. So these are the some points are there. What is sources of noise pollution? That is road traffic noise, aircraft noise from rail roads, construction noise, noise in industries, noise in building, noise from consumer products, loudspeaker, or a firecracker. So these are the sources of noise pollution that we observe in our surrounding areas. So this is the again some diagram ki road traffic noise or air traffic noise. What is craft noise? So nowadays the problem of low flying military aircraft had as it a new dimension to community annoyance as the nation seek to improve nap of the earth aircraft operation over national parks and other area previously affected by the aircraft noise has claimed. So this is the aircraft noise, and what is road traffic? So road traffic noise, already we see already our surrounding area, different type of vehicles transported, right? So in this city the main sources of traffic noise are the motors and exhaust system of autos, smaller truck, buses, right? So these are the some rail roads from noise, or a construction noise. Noise from railroad means rail car retarder can produce a high frequency, high level squeeze that can speed peak level of 120 dB, that is very high at a distance of 100 feet. So this translates to level as high as 138 or 140 dB would worker ears. And the construction noise means noise from the construction of the highway, city, street, or a building is a major contribution of the urban scenes, right? So this is the again some noises from the consumer product like vacuum cleaner, like kitchen appliances. These are these noise maker of the houses, loudspeaker when addresses some system in functions, meeting, religious places in open area is a source of seriously nonsense, like And the firecracker, use of firecracker with high noise level may harm the human hearing system, especially sensitive are small children. Thank you.